India is going through a significant transformation in the domain of innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship. The startup ecosystem in this country has reached almost 1.5 lakh startups, and some of them are turning to become great entrepreneurs, and it is showcased by the successful launch of Skyroot in their maiden Vikram 1 mission. And there are many others in addition to spacetech. And showcasing this innovation and creating business is something which is very, very phenomenal. Look at India as a possible destination. Me, primarily from spacetech domain, I am very excited to see the growth of this happening with new companies coming up to build rockets, satellites, and related technologies in scale in India. And this is very important time, especially for the state of Karnataka, and Bengaluru specifically being the city of innovation, city of entrepreneurship, city of technology, where there are deep tech startups and knowledge is prevalent. And making use of the strength that Bengaluru is now hosting the Bangalore Tech Summit for 2026. And this is really going to showcase the power of this city, the power of the state of Karnataka, and the power of India in providing access to high technologies, capacity of manpower, and also the ability to collaborate and cooperate with many other companies to enhance your domain.